Alright, so this is Matt with Smart Roof. We're going to be doing a shingle repair attempt with this 3-tab shingle right here on Crystal Moore's property. Today is November 5th, and we're checking for material transfer, tear, granule loss, and the normal stuff to seal. So let's get started. We're going to get this thing pulled out here. So after getting the shingle out, the first thing we noticed about the roof is there is nothing underneath of the shingles. There's no 15-pound felt, there's no ice and water barrier, it's just their bare roof. So that is a bit of a concern with any type of repairability attempt, getting it up to code. But luckily our shingle fits, so we're gonna get her nailed in. Put them in there. So here is our final result. Some chalk out here. You can already see we got that and that, which was not there in the beginning. So it's definitely too brittle to move forward with the replacement, not to mention the other issues. I did not see any material transfer, so that seems to be pretty good. So we'll give that. Tear. You can see it. There's a tear in the center of this one. Obviously, granule loss. And seal lines up. This is an old shingle that is not in the measurements are not in manufacturer specs anymore. This is a failed shingle attempt. Of course, with the excessive hail damage on the house, a repair wouldn't suffice.